Hello everybody, welcome to this channel once again. In this video I'm going to talk about parts of speech. But what refers parts of speech? Parts of speech are a group of words that belongs to a category. In English, we have 8 parts of speech. These are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So let's start with a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word of a person, place, animal, or thing. We have the common types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Examples of them are: the boy is running. Mumbai is very crowded city. Then we have pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Types of pronouns: possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun. Examples: he is playing cricket. They were fighting. Let's continue with verb and adverb. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. Example: the boy is laughing or he is playing. Adverb. The definition of adverb is: it is a word that describes a verb or tells more about a verb. Example: he talks very polite. He walks slowly. Then we have an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or tells more about a noun. Example: the boy is very clever. He is very naughty. He is a bad boy. Let's continue with preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows a position of a noun. Example: he was hiding under the table. The airplane flew over my head. Conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words or group of words together. For example, I ate pizza and pasta. I have two dogs and 4 cats. Finally, we have interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word that shows a strong emotion. For example, bravo, ouch, congrats. These were the 8 parts of speech in English. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.